Hey guys, gonna be working on the split bus today. It's finally warmed up a little bit. Get out here. We've got some parts on order for the Gia. Never owned a bus, well, a split bus. So we're gonna go ahead and get this ignition switch wired up, put the fuses in. Here's the ignition switch. It is a T code, so I just checked because it looked more like a bug switch to me, but apparently T code is for bus 64 to 66. So we're gonna get that hooked up. This thing hasn't been run since '87, or at least been on the road. So we're gonna try to get this thing started. Looking forward to hearing this thing run. This is another vehicle I'm tired of trying to push around, air up the tires. These don't move. These don't move as well as the Beetles, but as you can see, she needs dog legs. The floor doors are really crispy. He had these doors completely stuffed with insulation. Probably some mice up in there. It's got the wrong seats. Looks like bay window, but those are pricey as I've been looking into bus parts. But all the SO42 stuff's in there. See what we got in here. Oh, there's my work light. Gotta have these smoothies in here. I'll have to get some tires on those. Make some nice rollers. I got an ice pick door in here too. I see an early visor. Those are probably for the oval. Got to get this thing running. Get it running, go through the brakes. I picked this up in New Jersey. Thanks, Dubworks, for the heads up on this one. Did I mention wiring is not a strength of mine, but try not to get in the way here. What do we got? That's 30 to the headlight. That is 50 to the starter. 50, 50. I'm just gonna hook this up, see if we actually get anything before I install it. All right, I just hooked up the battery. Let's see if we have lights. We did not get lights on the, I see lights. Let's go get a look at this face. If we can get over there. Goodness. Yeah, this is a little ridiculous. Yeah, there she is. That's a good sign. I like that. That makes me happy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the key. The cylinders are previously oiled, so I just want to see if it'll turn over. I have not heard this turn over. You guys ready? I'm ready. Let's see if this thing turns over. Ho 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 ho! Yes! Yes! Well, the weekend just got a whole lot better. The splitty bus turns over. A little fuel in. What do you think? Let's try it. I got the camera back there rolling. Let's try it. This turns over strong too. Sounds good. Nice. Hang tight. Barely get in this thing. Go. I should check for spark. All right, you ready? she's getting, I don't think she's sparking. Quick static time here. Alright, we're not getting power back here. We're not getting power back here. Why are we not getting power to the coil? Alright, it's day 2 with the bus. It appears the previous owner had some sort of toggle switch for the ignition. So when we found the ignition, it was sitting right here, and I had 3 wires sitting next to it. So I got a little ahead of myself and just went ahead and plugged in the 3 wires. 50 and 30 look correct, but that blue wire is not correct. It needs to be a black wire. So we're not getting spark, as you may or may not have seen in the previous clips. So we're going to remove the parcel tray, what's left of it. I was out here last night and I dropped the flashlight and it goes down, goes through the floor. We're going to get the parcel. That's a nice looking speedometer cable right there. Get this crusty parcel tray out, try to get in there and see what he's got going on. I've been battling wires and spark. So headlights work. Alright, we'll get this out and see what we can do. I wonder why these rust. The old leaky windshield. Okay, well clearly the 30 wire does not go to a yellow wire. 30 wire goes to the headlight switch, and that black wire that goes to the wiper should go on 15. So let's try that and see what that gets us, shall we? You know, you gotta kind of be like a contortionist to try to get into these things. Living and learning. Gotta love this electrical. Folks, we're making some progress here. This is a little nerve-wracking, but look at that. That is a great, great sign. Persistence pays off. All right, you ready? Let's put you guys back there. See if we have spark. I went a little crazy yesterday with the parts. Wasn't getting a tight fit on that. I was chasing spark, so I threw another dizzy in there. Still wasn't getting any spark, and then I checked the coil. There was no juice in the coil, so then I knew once I tried to static time it, I knew we had problems. So let's see if this thing will pick up spark. Well, we don't need to know if there's spark. If you heard what I just heard, that is an awesome sign, and I can smell fuel being burned. All right, we're gonna get the big camera and we're gonna try to get this bus started. Oh, I don't fit in any of these except for the bugs, I'm telling you. No headroom in this. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
She's gonna go.
Need that.
Yeah, we need that.
She's gonna go.
I think she wants some more fuel.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is she gonna run?
Yeah. I know it. I I know for sure he's gonna run. Huh?
She just wants a little fuel.
Okay. See if she wants some fuel. Then maybe she'll run. I don't know, folks, but maybe. We don't know yet. And my dad's been working on this like from yesterday. So I think today's gonna be a good day.
That's it. Let's do it.
Okay. I was talking to the folks.
Talking to the folks. What do they think? Is it gonna run?
Yeah, I think they're thinking that it's gonna run.
All right. Ready?
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Well, I know for sure you're gonna get it running.
She wants to.
I know.
I might have to clean that carb. It's good to hear her at least coughing. Let's try her one more time. Oop.
Oh, she's almost gonna start. Oh.
No.
We need to give her more love. Are you all folks thinking that today can be a good day? Do you think that this bus is gonna start? I mean, the floors are actually really like rusty and stuff. It's like you can fall through it. And like click yourself. You ready?
I'm ready.
Please! Y'all thinking that's gonna start?
I'm gonna have to get timing.
Yeah.
All right, a quick static time. She's gonna run. What do you think, Josh? She's gonna run?
I think it's gonna run.
All right.
It's gotta run. Hello, folks. You think this bus is gonna run?
All right, you ready?
Yeah. I hope it's gonna run. You think it's gonna run? Oh, yeah.
It's fuel.
Well, it was a good try. But, you know, it will start because it started, and then it just stalled. So, yeah. My dad's been working on this like since yesterday. It hasn't ran. So, yeah. Pretty much. I wish I could show you, but otherwise tired. Just like can't even go back here, there. Cause like all stuff. I mean, there's a refrigerator. There's a sink. It's like top notch. We got other bugs and stuff, like gas bugs. We got Porsche 914, and we got a charger for 40 milliamperes.
You ready?
Yeah. You guys ready? Take your guess. Do you think it's gonna run or not run?
It's a fuel issue. I didn't do the carb.
Well, if you thought yes it will run, well, you guys are right. If some of you thought it won't run well, it's never ran. I think it might be the carb problem, or it just needs more fuel. I don't know.
She's a runner, bud. Nice. She's a runner. Yeah, baby. They all run. Love it.
She's a runner.
All right, that's gonna do it for today. Mission accomplished. The 66 SO42 Westie. She's a what?
Runner.
She's a runner, that's right. Super pumped about that. She's been off the road since '87, so thank you guys for hanging out. Have a great day, and we'll keep on what?
I don't know. Making things run. I don't
Making
know.
things run. Yeah, I like the sound of that. Have a great day. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the comments.
Thanks for the subscribers.
And take care. Appreciate it.